We believe that yoga can be studied best in a combination of two: online from the comfort of your home, and in person in India for 2 weeks, 5 hours daily. Join safe and organized trips, including cultural experiences while in India.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Start anytime, study online anywhere. Yana Kuntola, the author of the book Inner Yoga and the developer of the Slow Yoga method, will teach you yoga in a setting conducive to planting deeper yogic impressions and values, both online and in India. Receive a 200 hours yoga teacher training certificate that will give you the ability to register with Yoga Alliance. Combine the flexibility of learning with modern technology and the traditional style of teaching in the culture and the country that gave birth to yoga, India.